Good evening, GTO sir, and all my dear friends. So, today I am going to deliver a lecture on my topic string of pearls. I have divided my topic in three parts: introduction of a string of pearls, and also China strategic asset, and second, Indian strategic asset for countering China string of pearls policy, and also at last conclusion. So, basically, in starting, what string of pearls basically defined as the ancient Silk Road and also China. It is also a strategy of encirclement of China. In 2004, string of pearls and hypothesis was being under a network of Chinese military and commercial facilities in the Indian Ocean region to overall take a sharp look on in India, and also for a strategic location to counter India. From this string of pulse policy has been started from Djibouti and from the Horn of Africa to the Chinese mainland, and many analysts also believe that China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, Belt and Road Initiative, and a string of pearls. These all are the debt trap and the debt trap diplomacy. This completes the China encirclement strategy. From now, I would like to tell about in which countries China is making its army base or for developing and making them debt trap. From starting with in East Africa, Djibouti. China built its first military base at Djibouti in 2017, and Djibouti separates Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, and also guard the Suez Canal because the way to Suez Canal also goes from there only. And also in the most of the region Africa, in the most of the region of Africa, China is also using its debt policy and also developing many ports, and also increasing in trade and developing and infrastructure in the African countries. And now moving with the second, in Persian Gulf. In Persian Gulf, Strait of Hormuz also play a choke point for the trade and commerce in the Indian Ocean. There also, in China is building a port in the Dukam port. Now moving on to Pakistan, the Gwadar port is also a main strategic asset for China, and it also helps in its China-Pakistan economic corridor through which China can directly transport its load from Gwadar port to directly from China through inside of by the roads. And this also will be strategic because it is near to our Chahbar port, which is in Iran. And China also supplying arms to Pakistan. And now moving on to Maldives. In Maldives, China is also very active in the last few years, and also developing its island and making good infrastructure there. Now moving on to Sri Lanka. The Hambantota port of Sri Lanka is also becoming a strategic asset for China. There it was where it can it because it is near to India and all in India. From there they can also took a sharp look on India and also can counter India from there. Now moving on to Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, Mongla port and Chittagong port were also China is developing there. And now moving on to Myanmar. Coco Island is majorly for its strategic asset because from there the Andaman Island are also near, and also it is near to the Strait of Malacca, which is the another choke point for trade and commerce for Indian Ocean and also for India. In Nepal, and moving on to Nepal, there also China is developing many building infrastructure and also making good railway connectivity there. And now moving on to Tajikistan. In Tajikistan, there is in Wakhan border. China is also making its second military base after the Djibouti, and nearby Wakhan port there is also an Farkar air base of Indian Air Force. So there also it will create a problem for India. And now I would like to tell about the India is doing for countering the string of pearls policy of China. Now, for doing this for countering China, India has also started his necklace diamond strategy, in which it will cover all the it will also took the advantage of the old port of the neighboring country from which India is having a friendly relationship to counter China string of pulse policy. As we can say, the Changi Naval Port of Singapore is being also used by India, and also the Sabang Port of Indonesia. It it will helpful for countering Myanmar, and also for the good of the Strait of Malacca. The Duqm port and the Java port will also be good for countering China's string of pulse policy. And at last, in conclusion, I want to say that China is doing it for debt trap policy, and also to keep a sharp look on India, and also to improve his trade and commerce to the region of Indian Ocean. And at last, I remain. Thank you.